The annual agricultural exposition, which began in August 2015, featured crop and livestock farmers exhibiting their agricultural produce for the year, after which they were adjudged based on the quality of their produce. The overall winner, Mr. Okoye, who presented a pig with 12 piglets, said he has been farming for the past 6 years and was overjoyed by the win, revealing that his secret so far has been God's wisdom and providence. Other winners at the event included Mr. Ikechukwu, who came out tops for his yam products in the crop category, and Mr. Raymond Wanelo, who emerged victorious in the livestock category with his pigs, while several others went home with consolation prizes. Earlier in his speech while performing the customary breaking of kola nut, the traditional ruler of Enugwu, Iwera of Epe, said the purpose of the exposition is to promote the development of agriculture in the community through showcasing them to the world and reward people who have taken the bull by the horns through venturing into different forms of farming. A former commissioner for information in the state, who is also the chairman Enugwu Traditional Authority Agriculture Commission, Chief Charles Amuilo, reiterated the importance of farming in building sustainable development and said the event will provide a veritable platform for farmers in the community to key into the state government drive in developing agriculture through the formation of different cooperative groups.
It's been an annual event organizing the exhibition of produce and produce from the town. Everything you see about animal and plant was produced in this town in exhibited today.
Similarly, the Deputy Chairman of the Agri Commission, Nzewabweze Akabogo, underscored the importance of collaborative community efforts in ensuring that government policies are rooted at community levels, especially in the area of agriculture. The agricultural exposition attracted traditional rulers from neighboring communities, as well as the member representing Njikoka, Dunkofia, and Anocha at the Federal House of Representatives, Chief Dozie Nwankwo.